The sun is looking pretty cool right now, coming through the window. Here are the parts for the song is called On Top. For this song, make sure you have middle finger, A string, fret 2, and your pointer finger ready for C string, fret 2. Okay? It won't really work if you have your hand facing up. You kind of have to have this part of your hand touching the top here, touching that, and your hand turned so your fingernails are pointing like here, and your hand is turned, and your thumb is behind. Your hand has to kind of come around the ukulele. You can't have it underneath, you have to have it kind of wrapped around the ukulele, if that makes sense. So it starts with middle finger, fret 2, A string, and we're ready to go. Here it changes.